Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Trust wallet without a phrase. It's crucial to understand that your 12-word recovery phrase is the sole key to your wallet. Without it, Trust Wallet cannot help you regain access, as they do not store your personal information or phrases on their servers. This design ensures maximum security for your funds, but also places full responsibility on you for safekeeping your phrase. Understanding why a recovery phrase is essential is key. Trust Wallet operates as a non-custodial service, meaning you, and only you, have complete control over your digital assets. This architecture prevents any third party, including Trust Wallet itself, from accessing or recovering your funds if your phrase is lost. Each 12-word phrase uniquely generates all the private keys for your various cryptocurrencies within the wallet. To prevent this situation from happening, always write down your 12-word recovery phrase on paper as soon as you create your wallet. Make at least 2 or 3 copies and store them in different, secure physical locations, like a safe deposit box or a fireproof safe at home. Remember, never, under any circumstances, share your recovery phrase with anyone, even if they claim to be from Trust Wallet support. If you have genuinely lost your 12-word recovery phrase and have no backups, unfortunately, there is no method to recover your Trust Wallet. Your funds are permanently inaccessible. The best course of action is to create a new wallet, ensuring you meticulously secure its new recovery phrase. Also, for more insights on financial security and building wealth, check the description below for a link to * The Simple Path to Wealth * and other helpful resources. It's a great read.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.